I get this question all the time. Devin, what is the simplest way to estimate whether a video idea will create follow-up topics before you produce it? Here's the fastest rule. If one idea can naturally generate 9 more titles in 5 minutes, it has sequel potential. If it can't, it's probably a one-off. I use a simple 3x3 test. First, write 3 direct sequels. That means part 2 questions the viewer would ask right after the first video. If your idea is how to start YouTube automation, the sequels might be best niches, first workflow, and common beginner mistakes. Second, write 3 adjacent problems. Same audience, next pain point. Think tools, hiring, scripts, editing, monetization, stuff like that. Third, write 3 friction titles. Objections, mistakes, comparisons, or before you do this, watch this angles. If you struggle to get past 4 or 5 without reaching, don't build your content plan around that idea. Make it as a standalone video. If you hit 7 to 9 quickly, that's a cluster starter. In Satira, that's the kind of topic I'd tag as a pillar and build follow-ups around. So the simplest test is not search volume first. It's title elasticity. Can this idea stretch into more useful titles fast?